Hello viewers, you are welcome to my YouTube channel Botany. This is the third episode under Biome series where I am going to discuss on grassland biomes. Grasslands are terrestrial ecosystems dominated by grasses and herbaceous plants. They are found on every continent except Antarctica and are characterized by their vast open landscapes. These biomes are shaped by the combination of factors like climate, soil, and the presence of grazing animals. They are ecologically as well as economically important and provide critical ecosystem goods and services at local, regional, and global levels. Habitat loss, overgrazing, and climate change pose significant threats to these grasslands. Sustainable management and public awareness are crucial for grassland conservation. The contents of this video are grassland biome, types and distribution, climate in grasslands, flora and fauna of grasslands, tropical grasslands that is savannas, temperate grasslands like prairies and steppes, ecological and economic significance of grasslands, threats and challenges to the grasslands, and sustainable management of grassland. Grassland biome types and distribution. There are two main types, tropical grasslands and temperate grasslands. The tropical grasslands are located in Africa, South America, and Australia. The African savanna is the largest grassland ecosystem in the world, covering much of the sub-Saharan Africa. It is home to iconic animals such as lions, elephants, zebras, and giraffes. In South America, the Cerrado is the second largest savanna biome in the world. It is located in central Brazil as well as parts of Bolivia and Paraguay. In Australia, the savanna is found in the northern and central parts of the continent. It is characterized by tall, drought-resistant grasses. The temperate grasslands are found in North America, Europe, and Asia. The prairies are primarily located in the North America, especially central and western regions as well as Canada. They are also found in some parts of the South America such as Pampas region of Argentina and Uruguay. The Great Plains of North America are one of the most well-known temperate grasslands. They stretch from Canada to Texas and home to a variety of wildlife including bison, deer, and prairie dogs. The temperate grasslands in Europe are often referred to as steppes. They can be found in countries such as Hungary, Russia, and Ukraine. Temperate grasslands in Asia are also known as steppes. They can be found in the regions such as Mongolia, Kazakhstan, and China. Grasslands are characterized by a climate that is generally dry with distinct seasons. Here are the key features of the grassland climate. The grassland typically receive less rainfall than the forest or other ecosystems. Many grasslands experience extended dry periods which can be challenging for plant growth. Summers in grasslands are often hot and dry, with a temperature that can exceed 38 degrees Celsius. The winters in the grasslands can be cold, with the temperatures dropping below freezing. The amount of the rainfall and the severity of the temperature fluctuations can vary depending on the specific grassland region. Grasslands are dominated by grasses, but they also support a variety of other plants. The specific flora can vary depending on the type of grassland and its location. Here are some common plants found in the grasslands. It includes grasses, forbs, trees, and shrubs. Grasses are characterized by their narrow leaves and hollow stem, which are well adapted to survive in dry conditions. Grasses play a crucial role in providing food for grazing animals and helping to maintain soil health. There are many different types of grasses found in the grasslands, each with its own unique characteristics. Some common grasses are tall grass found in the prairies. These can grow up to 10 feet tall and include species like big blue stem, Indian grass, and switchgrass. In shortgrass prairies, grasses are shorter than tall grass and they include species like buffalo grass and grama grass. The savanna grasses are often tall and drought tolerant. They include species like elephant grass and spear grass. Forbs are non-grass herbaceous plants found in the grasslands. They can also have a wide variety of flowering plants like wildflowers, legumes, and composites. Forbs play an important role in grassland ecosystem by providing food and habitat to the various animals like insects, birds, and mammals. They also help to maintain the soil health and biodiversity. Some grasslands have scattered trees or shrubs such as oaks, maples, and other trees. Along the rivers and streams, grasslands often have riparian zones with trees and shrubs like willows, cottonwoods, and other plants. Grasslands are home to diverse range of animals, many of which have adapted to the dry, open environment. Here are some common fauna found in the grasslands. Grasslands are known for their large herds of grazing animals like zebras, wildebeest, and antelopes. Smaller herbivores like prairie dogs, rabbits, and gophers play an important role in the grassland ecosystem. Grasslands also support a variety of predators like lions, cheetahs, and wolves. Birds of prey like eagles, hawks, and owls can be found hunting in the grasslands. Grasslands are teeming with the insects including grasshoppers, crickets, beetles, and butterflies. Snakes, lizards, and turtles can be found in the grassland, especially in warmer regions. Frogs, toads, and salamanders may be present in grasslands with sufficient moisture. The tropical grasslands are also known as the savannas, that is, the grasslands with the trees. They are found in the regions of Africa, South America, and Australia. Some of the key features of these grasslands are they show high temperature throughout the year, a pronounced wet season followed by a dry season. The tropical grasslands often have scattered trees such as acacia and baobab. These grasslands are home to a wide variety of animals like giraffe, elephants, zebra, and predators like lions, leopards, and cheetahs. Many plants and animals in the savannas have adapted to survive in the dry season. Plants develop deep roots to reach water, store water in their tissues, and have thick bark to resist fire. The animals show migration and hibernate or they undergo estivation, a state of inactivity and reduce the metabolic rate of that animals enter during a period of extreme heat and dryness. It is similar to the hibernation but occurs during the summer months instead of in the winter. Animals that estivate often burrow underground or find shelter places to avoid harsh conditions to cope with the water scarcity. The savannas have been significantly impacted by human activities like overgrazing, deforestation, and agricultural expansion. These activities have led to the soil erosion, habitat loss, and change in biodiversity. Temperate grasslands, also known as the prairies or steppes. They are characterized by their distinct seasons and moderate temperatures. They are found in the regions of North America, Europe, and Asia. Steppes are vast flat grassland characterized by dry climate with cold winters and warm summers, whereas prairies They are also vast flat grassland characterized by fertile soils, moderate rainfall, and wide range of grasses. They are often referred to as the breadbasket of the world due to their rich agricultural potential. The prairies can be categorized based on grass height. Tall grass prairies found in the areas with a higher rainfall. The short grass prairies occur in the drier regions with short grasses. Mixed grass prairies, it is a transition zone between the tall grass and short grass prairies. Grasslands play a crucial role in Earth's ecosystem. These vast expanses of grass dominated landscapes provide a multitude of ecological services. Here are some key points. Grasslands support a wide range of plant and animal species from grazing herbivores like bison and zebra to carnivores like lions and cheetahs. Many species have evolved adaptations to thrive in grassland environment, such as long legs for running and efficient water conservation mechanisms. Grassland soils are often rich in nutrients, making them highly productive for agriculture and supporting a diverse plant community. The grasslands store significant amount of carbon in their soils and helping to mitigate climate change. Healthy grassland soils are better at sequestering carbon than degraded soils, emphasizing the importance of grassland conservation. The grasslands act as nature's filters, helping to purify water and prevent soil erosion. Grasslands can absorb excess of water during heavy rainfall, reducing the risk of flooding. Grasslands are vital for nutrient cycling, as plants absorb nutrients from soil and release them back into the ecosystem through decomposition. Healthy grasslands contribute to maintaining soil fertility, which is essential for agricultural productivity. Grasslands provide food and fiber for livestock, supporting human livelihoods and food security. They offer opportunities for recreation such as hiking, camping, and wildlife viewing, contributing to local economies. The grasslands have a deep cultural and historical significance for many indigenous peoples. In general, the grasslands are essential for the health of our planet. By understanding their ecological significance, we can better appreciate and protect these vital ecosystems. Grasslands, while often overlooked in favor of forests or agricultural lands, play a vital role in global economy. Here are some of the key economic benefits they provide. Grasslands are prime grazing areas for livestock like cattle, sheep, goat, providing a significant source of meat, milk, and other dairy products. Many agricultural crops, including grains like wheat and corn, are grown on grasslands, contributing to food security and global trade. Grasslands can be used to produce biomass, a renewable energy source that can be converted into biofuel, electricity, and heat. Grasslands, especially those with the few trees, are ideal locations for wind and solar power generations. Grasslands offer opportunities for outdoor recreation such as hiking, camping, and wildlife viewing, attracting tourists and generating revenue for local economies. Grasslands often have deep cultural and historical significance, attracting visitors interested in learning about local traditions and history. Grasslands face a number of significant threats and challenges that can degrade their ecological functions and reduce their economic value. Here are some of the most pressing challenges. Excessive grazing by livestock can lead to soil erosion, loss of plant diversity, and desertification. The conversion of grasslands to agricultural land, particularly for crops and can destroy valuable ecosystems. The expansion of cities and infrastructure can encroach on the grassland areas, fragmenting the habitats and reducing the biodiversity. Mining and other resource extraction activities can disrupt these ecosystems. Climate change is leading to the more frequent and severe droughts, which reduce their productivity. Rising temperatures alter the plant growth pattern, increase the risk of wildfires, and affect the availability of water resources. Shift in rainfall pattern can disrupt the water balance. Invasive plants can outcompete native grasses and reduce the biodiversity. Introduced pests and diseases can harm grassland plants and animals, leading to population decline and population degradation. Runoff from the agricultural lands can contain fertilizers, pesticides, and other pollutants that can harm these grasslands. Industrial emissions and waste can contaminate the grasslands and pose risk to human health and wildlife. Effective grassland management is essential for maintaining their ecological health and economic value. Here are some key strategies for managing grasslands. Sustainable grazing practices. Dividing the grassland into smaller paddocks and rotating livestock between them can help to prevent overgrazing and promote plant recovery. Allowing grasslands to rest from the grazing can help to restore soil health and promote plant growth. Then conservation tillage. Minimizing the soil disturbance through the non-till farming can help to conserve soil moisture, reduce erosion, and improve soil health. Planting cover crops during the off-season can help to protect the soil from erosion, improve the soil fertility, and provide habitat for beneficial insects. Then habitat restoration. Restoring the degraded grasslands by planting native grasses can help to improve biodiversity and increase the ecosystem function. Controlling the invasive plants can help to protect native grassland specimens and maintain ecosystem health. Then invasive species management. Removing invasive plants by hand or with the tools can help to reduce their spread. Using natural enemies such as insects or fungi to control invasive plants can be a sustainable and effective approach. Then monitoring and assessment. Monitoring grassland ecosystem can help to identify changes in plant diversity, soil health, and water quality. Using monitoring data to adjust management practices can help to ensure that grasslands are managed in sustainable and resilient manner. Then community involvement. Educating landowners, farmers, and public about the importance of grassland conservation can help to build support for sustainable management practices. Engaging local communities in grassland management can help to ensure that their needs and values are considered. The grassland conservation and restoration can promote ecotourism, which can generate revenue for local communities while supporting the biodiversity. By implementing these strategies, we can help to promote grasslands and ensure their continued contribution to our ecosystem and economies.